Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the software testing. Software testing is the 6th unit of software modeling and design subject. The content of these 6 units are introduction to testing, error, fault, failure, verification validation, white box testing, black box testing, unit testing, integration testing, GUI testing, user acceptance testing, validation testing, scenario testing, performance testing, test cases and test plan, and last is case studies expected for developing usability test plan and the test cases. First point of this unit is the introduction. In introduction, we are going to see what is software testing. That is, what is testing. The definition of this software testing is execution of work product with the intent to find defects. The primary goal of testing is to be expose hidden defect so that they can be fixed. Yes, friend. The primary goal of testing is to expose hidden defect so that they can be fixed. Certain questions that may be raised in the mind of the stakeholders. These questions are: first, what if I develop my product carefully and without error? Then second question, my product is 99%, not only not 99, 99.99% perfect. I don't care about the rest. But friend, this 0.1% failure can be like the total 10,000 incorrect surgery operation per week. Then 3 airplane crashes every day. Then third point is 21,778 checks will be deducted from the wrong bank account in the next 60 minutes. Then next is 19,800 incorrect drug prescription will be written in next 12 months. And last is last is 12 babies will be given to the wrong parents each day. These are the serious 0.1% failure. So that our product should be 100% perfect, not like 99.99%. For that purpose, we require the software testing. Now, we are going to see the objective of testing. Objective of testing is first, executing a product with the intent of finding an error is first objective. Then, to check if the system meets requirements and to be executed successfully in the intended environment. Then, to check if the system is fit for the purpose. Next is to check if the system does what it is expected to do. Then a good test case is one that has the probability of finding an 8_ error. Next is a successful test is one that uncover a 8_ error. Next, a good test is not redundant. A good test should be best of breed. Next, a good test should neither be too complex nor to be simple. These are the few objectives of testing. Now, we are going to see the challenges in the testing. There are various challenges in software testing. Now we are going to discuss these challenges, few challenges. Okay, the first is the many times requirements are not clear, not complete and testable. This is first challenge. Then many times it is difficult for the tester to capture the core logic due to lack of technical knowledge. Yeah, this may happen. Many times it is difficult for the tester to capture the core logic due to lack of technical knowledge. Then The requirement may be wrongly documented by the system analyst. This is error from the system analyst side. Then some error remain hidden and tester can't capture them. These are the challenges in the testing. Now we are going to discuss the important point, that is verification and validation. Verification and validation is a checking and analysis process of developing software. This is analysis and checking process of developing software. It is also known as V&V. Verification means, are we building right product? And validation means, are we building product right? Now we are going to see the verification in detail. Verification is technique of evaluating whether software product fulfill the requirement, whether software product fulfill the requirements or condition imposed on them by standards and process. It is just evaluating that whether the software product fulfill the requirements or condition imposed on them by standard or process. It is static technique, as there is no execution of code or product. Various techniques used in verifications are review. Review means it is informal way of verifying and validating. Review. Then walkthrough. Walkthrough is more formal way of review, which is done in the team. Then third is inspection. Very formal way of review with clearly defined process. The next is audit. Independent examination of product or process. It is basically quality assurance activity or control activity. Now we are going to discuss the advantages of verification. First is, each work product is analyzed, reducing the cost of finding and fixing the defect from system as a whole. Then next is, it confirms synchronization with development process and product. Verification is just confirmation of development process and the product. Then next is, the people can be trained easily as there is no execution of code or product. Then next is, defects are located faster as individual work product is analyzed. Now, disadvantage of verification. It just synchronizes the development product and the process, and does not show whether the product is correct or not. It just synchronizes the development process